Most seniors drink tea or coffee every morning. But you won't believe what just one glass of fresh beet juice can do when you start your day with it. It's simple, natural, and ready in 5 minutes. Let me show you how to make it. This is a gentle morning juice made with real vegetables and fruits. No sugar, no salt. It's light on the stomach and gives a very natural boost of freshness. Perfect for seniors, walkers, yoga lovers, busy parents, anyone who wants a clean start to the day. First, we start with a carrot. Carrot adds natural sweetness and gives a nice thickness to the juice. For seniors, it's great because it's easy to digest and feels soothing in the morning. It gives a beautiful orange color and blends perfectly with beet. Next goes cucumber. It brings hydration, helps the body feel lighter, and adds a refreshing taste. If you often wake up feeling warm or dehydrated, cucumber balances that instantly. Then we add 1 apple. This replaces the need for sugar and gives a nice crisp sweetness. It also makes the juice easier to drink, especially for seniors who prefer mild flavors. And now, the hero beetroot. Just 1 beetroot is enough for 1 serving. It gives natural energy, supports healthy blood circulation, and keeps you active through the day. It also adds a rich color that makes the juice look beautiful. We add a tiny piece of ginger for warmth and digestion. Then I show all the chopped fruits and veggies together in a bowl. This looks so fresh and colorful. Now everything goes into a blender with a little dry mint and half a cup of water. Blend for 20 to 30 seconds until smooth. Next, we'll strain the juice to remove the fiber and get a smooth, refreshing drink. Don't throw away the leftover pulp. We'll turn it into creamy hummus at the end of this video. Now add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for a tangy boost. And here's an important tip. Avoid adding salt, sugar, or pepper. These can reduce the nutritional benefits of this raw juice. And there you go. Your fresh morning beet juice is ready. It's gentle on the stomach and perfect for seniors to start the day with natural energy. Just 1 glass in the morning helps you feel lighter, more active, and refreshed through the day. And here's a mindful sipping tip. Don't gulp it in one go. Swish each sip in your mouth for 5 seconds. This mixes it with saliva and helps your body absorb more from the juice. And now, let's take it a step further. We'll use the leftover juice pulp to make a delicious, nutritious hummus. Add the pulp and a few simple ingredients to a blender. Blend it smooth and your creamy hummus is ready. It's a smart way to reduce waste and add more fiber and flavor to your meals. Perfect as a dip, a spread, or even in wraps. So that's it, a refreshing morning beet juice and a creamy hummus made from the pulp. Simple, natural, and perfect for seniors who want a clean, energetic start to the day. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a natural morning boost.